Hello guys, this is my first lecture video on the course surveying. In this course, I am going to discuss different aspects like chain surveying, compass surveying, theodolite surveying, plane tabling, contour, and many more. So let's start. In this video, I am going to discuss introduction of surveying, objective of surveying, usage of surveying, and the classification of surveying. So let's start with the surveying. Surveying is the art of determining the relative positions of the different objects on the surface of the earth by measuring the horizontal distance between them and by preparing a map to any suitable scale. Here one term comes, that is a scale. A scale is the ratio of map distance to the ground distance. Look at this picture. In this picture, horizontal distance is measured by chain surveying. A metric chain is used to measure the horizontal distance. This is the one of the examples of surveying. Then comes to the leveling. Then definition of leveling. Leveling is defined as the art of determining the relative vertical distance of different points on the surface of the earth. Therefore, in leveling, the measurements are taken only in vertical plane. So here, leveling examples is shown here. One surveyor was to the leveling staff and measured the vertical elevation. So how well leveling is done, this is one of the best examples I shown here. Then comes to the objective of the surveying. The aim of the surveying is to prepare a map to show the relative positions of the object on the surface of the earth. The map is drawn to some suitable scale. As we discussed earlier, a scale is the ratio of map distance to the ground distance. It shows the natural features of a country, such as town, village, road, railway, river, etc. Map may also include details of different engineering works, such as roads, railway, irrigation, canals, etc. Then comes to the usage of surveying. Surveying may be used for the following various applications. First, to prepare the topographical map, we show the hills, valley, rivers, village, towns, forest, and many more of any country. Look at here. I shown the mountain. This is one of the topographic map. I've shown the mountain area. Here, the 900 contours, 800 contours, 720. These are shown here. This is 8, 10, 900 elevations, 720. This is one of the examples of topographic map. Then comes to the second one. To prepare a cadastral map showing the boundary of the field, houses, and other properties. This is one of the cadastral map. This is the example of cadastral map. Here, look, plots are bounded by their boundary. Here the boundary of the all plots are shown here. This is the one of the cadastral map I have shown here. So there is no confusion between topographic map and cadastral map. So comes to the next point. Then third one, to prepare an engineering map which show the details of engineering work such as road, railways, reservoir, irrigation, canal, etc. I have shown a Google map. Here, here a road is shown here. Here the Satra bus station to Kamveer Gura Patil College of Engineering. Here one of the best examples of engineering map is shown here. So comes to the next fourth point. To prepare a military map to showing the roads and railway communications with different parts of a country. Such a map also show the different strategic points important for the defense of the country. So here I show the military map. Here some strategic points have discussed here. This is one of the examples of military map. So how it looks I shown here. So there is no confusion between military map cadastral map, topographic map, and engineer's map. So comes to the fifth use. Then fifth, to prepare a contour map to determine the capacity of a reservoir or to find the best possible route or a road railway. Here I have shown the contour map. Here this is low 1000, this is 998, 996. This contour line, one of the chapter is contour, as I discussed in detail and this that lecture in the upcoming videos. But you know, contour maps, contours are the line joining same elevation. When line joining, contours are defined when the same elevations are joined. All points of these contours are equal at this value. Joining of equal elevations, the line joins the equal elevation is called contour line. So here how looks contour maps as shown here. Then comes to the next class point. To prepare a geological map showing the area including underground resources. Here one of the geological map is shown here. Here alluvial, alluvium, classification, taken trap, Budappa. This is the one of the geological map I've shown here. So you know the what is geological map, what is archaeological map, what is cadastral map, what is, if anyone is so any map, you can distinguish the different maps. So comes to the next point. To prepare an archaeological map including places where ancient village exist. These are the ancient village, that is Taj Mahal. This is one of the archaeological map is shown here. So today for today that's it. So in the next lecture I am going to discuss classification of surveying and what is the difference between plane and geodetic surveying. Then what are the principles involved in the surveying. Then in the next lectures then I'm going to discuss a scale, different type of a scale, then how to prepare a scale, how to solve the numericals based on a scales. That type of things are discussed in whole module in this video. So thank you, meet you in the next video. Thank you, bye guys.